Well, hey guys, it's Michael here. This video is going to be fairly short to the point, but I really want to thank you guys. I hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel, and if it wasn't for you guys subscribing, of course none of this could have been possible. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos, commenting and enjoying them. You know, it's been a long time coming. I started my channel about 5 years ago and didn't really plan to create a full-blown channel. Basically, I built a sawmill from scratch. Cost me about $200, $250 to build, and I want to post that video to share that with people. And one thing led to another, and here we are 5 years later, and with all these extra projects around here. So thanks guys for checking out all my stuff. Maybe about a year and a half, 2 years ago, I was at 10,000 subscribers, so it's kind of come a long ways. This little project, I'm sure you guys are familiar with. This is one of my most recent projects. It's a Predator-powered articulated mini dump truck using full Subaru running gear. 12 horsepower Predator engine. This thing is a Predator style engine. It's a 6.5 horsepower quad truck. I took an old broken down quad and modified it, put a hydraulic dump bed on it and built this. Of course, the little Predator powered mini bike, 6.5 horse, a few extra ponies now. It's been tricked out a little bit. This video, I just want to talk about YouTube and the subscribers and all that kind of stuff, so we'll get to that. Basically, YouTube does some interesting things in the last few years that kind of give you a little pep talk. Basically, on your channel, they'll tell you when you post a video how it rates. If it rates better than the other videos you post, or just average or not viewed very well, they'll kind of let you know. So I was kind of curious what they do when you hit 100,000 subscribers. And at the time when I rolled over 100,000, I was actually out of cell phone range. I was riding up in the Cascades with some friends doing some trail riding over that weekend. And when I came back in cell phone range, I saw that I had like 100,000 subscribers, and YouTube did nothing. They didn't acknowledge it at all. It seems like you could program a robot that just says, congratulations, you've reached 100,000 subscribers. Pretty simple, but I actually had a few friends reach out to me from YouTube, like Justin Dow, and send me a text and wish me congratulations on meeting 100,000 subscribers. Had a few other people from YouTube reach out and send me some texts like that, and some other subscribers write some comments that were pretty happy to see that too. Anyways, I just have to start looking into, I think I'm at 106,000 at the time of this video, and I haven't heard from YouTube yet about their little silver plaque thing you're supposed to get. So I think I need to jump through a few hoops and apply for it or something like that. But we all know I actually have over 100,000, so I'm going to run in the shop real quick and cut one out. Let's go do that and we'll wrap up the video. I would like to take this little opportunity here to thank you guys one more time for checking out my channel, subscribing and supporting me, and always leaving super positive comments. And I hope that I've actually motivated some of you guys to get out to the shop a little bit more and do some cutting and welding and just building fun things and having a good time with it. Thanks again, guys. Boom, there we go. We'll cut this out now on the CNC table. Alright, got some salvaged stainless steel. I think we'll cut the little sign out on this. Alright, let's get cutting. Okay, take two. I started to cut this play button, and I measured my aluminum, or my stainless steel was going to be about the right size. When I programmed, it was about 7 inches tall for the play button, but I forgot that I arched out for the rounded curves of it, which pushed it over 7.5, and that's basically the size of my sheet of stainless. So it started to cut off the sheet, so I resized it in the Langmuir Systems Crossfire fire control software and downsized the play button by 10%. So round two, let's go cut this thing out. Like I said, it was salvaged, so it's got a lot of rust on this side and from cutting other things around it and sitting out in a scrap bin, but should be able to clean it up pretty well. Gonna get out the Scotch-Brite next and just give it a nice fine-tuned polish. Alright, got that stainless all polished. Now to finish off the center, I think I might throw a little polished copper behind it for the play button. This thing's been sitting around in my shop for a long time. Alright, piece of copper for this. Usually never use hot glue gun on anything. Richie guys, I'm pretty happy how that turned out. It's stainless steel and copper, probably much higher end than the ones Google sends out to you anyways, but I will contact them and see what hoops I have to jump through to get them to send me my play button. We're going to wrap up the video by talking about some future projects we're bringing to the channel and some things for the up and coming year, so we'll get to that next. You guys heard any funny sounds in the background of that take? It was these dogs wrestling and growling at each other. As you guys probably know, my dog Sully passed away last December.
Hi Sully. Hey buddy.
He's a good shop dog, and this is going to be a new one. This is ours. His name is Arlo. My son named him, and that's Sasha. That's my dad's dog there. You'll probably see him in up and coming videos here. Hi Arlo. So, I'm getting close to wrapping up the articulated dump truck. That's going to be nice. It's going to probably be within the month or so I'll have that finished. And right now I've been pulling a bunch of running gear off of Subaru Loyal, planning that build. So come this fall and winter, we're going to be building that rugged side-by-side build. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a nice series. It's not going to be for going super fast and jumping. It's going to be super rugged, robust, designed for crawling through the woods and just kind of bushwhacking. So it's going to be a fun machine. And I also got a new tool slash toy. It's going to complement the articulating truck really well. It's a 3-cylinder diesel, rolls on rubber, and it's going to be awesome. So I should have a video posted in about a week for that. If you guys have any ideas what I might have purchased, leave a comment down below. Alright guys, take care. Bye.